8 minus 4 is 4. 12 divided by 3 give us 4. 4 times 4 is 16. But this answer is not correct. To solve this question, we need to follow PEMDAS rule. P stand for parenthesis, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A stand for addition, A stand for subtraction. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division we solve from left to right, addition and subtraction we solve from left to right. First we solve parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 give us 4. The equation becomes 8 minus 4 times 4. In this step we simplify this multiplication. 4 times 4 is 16. The equation becomes 8 minus 16. Now we simplify this subtraction. 8 minus 16 give us minus 8. The answer is minus 8.